Get ready to uncover the science behind your school's favorite copy machine. It's cooler than you think. So, picture this. You put a blank paper into the Xerox machine, and out comes a printed copy. But what's actually happening inside? First, there's a special aluminum drum coated with selenium. Think of it like a magic chalkboard that reacts to light. A super bright light shines on the page you want to copy. The white parts bounce the light back, while the words or images absorb it. This reflected light is focused through a lens and lands on that selenium-coated drum. Here's the cool bit. Selenium is like a superpower metal. Where the light hits, it loses its charge and becomes conductive. But where it stays dark, where your text or image is, the positive charge hangs on. Now, enter the toner. It's just tiny black powder with a negative charge. The toner is attracted to the positively charged spots, just like magnets snapping together. Finally, the drum rolls that toner pattern onto your blank paper and voila, your copy is ready to go. So next time you copy your homework, remember, there's some real science magic behind every page.